Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing and a review on the Riki Loves Riki Tall Vanity Mirror. This is the large vanity mirror with daylight LEDs. If you're familiar with the Riki Skinny mirror that I already done an unboxing and a review, well, you could say that this is like the mom version of that mirror. In the box, you'll get a magnetic magnifying mirror that has a magnification of ×3. You will also get a magnetic phone clip adapter that will allow you to clip your phone so you could do lives hands-free, maybe FaceTime a friend while you get ready, or just watch YouTube or even Netflix. It includes a remote that will allow you to turn on and off the mirror, take selfies since it could connect to the mirror via Bluetooth, and adjust the brightness. You will also get a wall adapter. The mirror comes with a thick acrylic stand. The stand feels very heavy and very sturdy. And lastly, you'll get, of course, the tall mirror. You will have to place the mirror in a slot on the stand. Once you place the mirror, you will see that there's 2 screws on each side on the back of the stand. You will have to screw those tightly to secure the mirror. Next, you will attach the wall adapter since that is the only way you will be able to turn it on. This mirror does not hold a charge like the skinny mirror does. On the side, there's a USB connection so you can charge your phone or even your skinny mirror or any other device that attaches to a USB adapter. So this is how my tall mirror looks on my vanity. The tabletop is from Impressions Vanity and the 2 side drawers are from IKEA. I'll have everything linked down below for those that are interested. This mirror is ultra thin. The measurements are 28 inches tall by 20 inches wide. The total weight is about 14 pounds, which is pretty light for a vanity mirror. The mirror has 3 magnets located on the mirror so you can place the magnifying mirror or the phone clip. You could turn on the mirror by touching the silver heart in front of the mirror or by using the remote. It has 5-stage dimming. The lighting in this mirror is very intense. I love that the lights produce 0 heat, which is something I really like about this mirror. I can't believe I almost forgot to say how much this mirror costs. So this retails for $495. I do have an affiliate code that will save you 15% off. I believe that's around $75. They do have Afterpay, which means you could do payments every 2 weeks, 0 interest. And if you're interested, I'll have all that information down below. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful. Is this mirror something that you guys like? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.